To create a post, click on the Compose button from the left navigation pane. First, select the social profile that you want to publish your post to. Once done, go ahead with composing the post. You can make it more expressive by adding an emoji, image, or video to your post. In case you don't have an image that's relevant, you may use our exclusive media libraries like Pixabay, Unsplash, and Giphy. You can also include different captions for your posts that are meant to be published on different social platforms. After you're done crafting your post, click on the Post Preview button to get an idea how your post would look like. You can also choose to save your post as a draft that you can post it in the near future. Once the post is ready, click on the Publish button. Add labels to your post as it will help you to organize and quickly find your post in the planner. You can choose to schedule your post from one of the three options below. Use custom time to schedule your post for a specific future date and time. Click on Schedule category to choose from an already created schedule category. Your post will be scheduled according to the next available times as per your selected category. If you have a link in your post, you can choose to shorten it by enabling shortened URLs. Click on Send Now to post it immediately on the selected social channels or send your post for approval depending on the access your account has. And that's it, your post has been published on all your social networks.